Hi friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer. And if you have an RV or love to camp, I want to share a tip with you on something I take on my trips and you may want to as well. So let me introduce you to the MECO air blower. Now this thing, I think you could find a ton of uses for, and I'm going to highlight a few of how I use it just in a second. You have a little power button right here on the front. When you turn that on, you can see, perhaps, it comes on and tells you how much battery life you left, and then your air blower settings up and down here. Now before I show you and talk about some of the ways I use this thing that has really become handy to me, I'm going to put the link to the description where you can get more details about this in the description section below, so you can check it out and see if it might be helpful for you to pack and put in your future trips. Since this thing is so small, it's pretty cool to take along with you and very easy to use. So let's talk about some of the different use cases for it. So some examples are, obviously you can open up your outdoor bays around your RV and blow out those sections. We all know how that builds up dust over time. But another cool use is for your slide outs on your RV. If you've been camping in a wooded area, the leaves, the pine needles, so forth get stuck up on top, and before you put your slide out in, you could literally just take this little puppy and blow that debris out, so you don't have to worry about that actually coming inside when your slide out pops in. When you wake up in the morning and you've got dew on your chairs and your table outside, you could use this to quickly blow off the debris and dry those things very quickly for you. You can also blow off your entry rug and so forth, or exit rug if you have some inside your RV as well as the one outside. You can blow that off and keep that clean. When you rinse your mirrors and so forth, you can use this to air dry those mirrors, keep any water spots from building up. Camping chairs outside, and even your hiking boots, before you store them back inside, blow all the dust off of them. You can use it to get to hard to reach places in the camper as well. Now it's got a number of settings on here that you can go up and down to change the motor and how much air is actually being pushed out. That's good for inside, so it's not like 100 miles an hour of wind blowing stuff around in your RV. You can kind of control it, the different blower settings right here on the gun. You can use it to blow up water toys and air mattresses and things of that nature. So in wrapping up here, whether you're using it to clean, dry something, keep your campsite cleaner, your gear cleaner, it's a great little thing to have, and it's not that expensive. Matter of fact, I reached out to the manufacturer and I told them I was going to do this video, and they offered a discount that I'm also going to put in the description as well. So for a limited time, they're cutting the price, and you may want to take advantage of that. So I hope you found this somewhat helpful. It's one of those products that I never thought about until I actually got my hands on one and saw how useful it really is all around your RV and campsite. So with that, I hope all your future trips are optimized. Thanks for watching.